Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you which programming language should you learn first for beginners. So don't skip this video and let's get started. There exist over 250 programming languages in this business world like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, Ruby, Python, Lisp and many more. So the question is which programming language to learn first? Well, I would recommend to every beginners to learn C language first because C is the basic of programming and it's easy and simple to understand. It is not necessary to learn C before learning any other languages, but if you want to go through pain first and have an easy life in programming afterwards, then you should definitely choose C or C++ as your language. And if you want to have an easy time learning how to program at first and understand the difficult and complicated parts afterwards, then you should definitely go with the Python first. Have patience, all things are different before they become easy, right? But I would recommend not to jump Python directly. Let's write our first hello world program in C. Now open your dev C++ IDE from your desktop shortcut or you can open it from your Windows search bar. Now open your Windows search bar and type dev C++. If you haven't installed dev C++ yet, then in my previous video I've already shown how to download and install dev C++ for Windows 10 operating system. I'll leave this link in the description below or you can click the I button to get access of it. Now to write your code, go to File, New and Source File. This is the place where we will write our first hello world program. Hash include stdio.h. Now what is this? In every C program, you have to write a statement. Now this is a library. Libraries are inbuilt functions which are grouped together and placed in a common place. Inbuilt function means which already built in the library and developers already have created this. And we don't need to create our own functions. After that write int main parenthesis and second bracket. Now in every C program you need to write this main function. From this main function your program will start. This int refers to integer. Our function needs to return some integer at the end of the execution. That's why we have written here int. Instead of it we can also write void. Now that means this main function will not return any value. Now we want to display some statement. To display some statement we used printf parenthesis double inverted. Now in this place you have to write the statement you want to display like hello world or I am yeah. After every statement you need to give a semicolon. After that return 0. Now why we have written here return 0? We need to change this into int. If we write here int, then our function needs to return some integer at the end of the execution, right? And this return 0 indicates the success status of our program, like this program is working fine. So whenever we write int, we need to include this return 0. After that, we need to save our program. In your keyboard, press Ctrl S. In desktop, make a folder, new folder. Here we have created a folder. Let's rename this C program. Now we will save our file in this C program. Double click on it and change your file name. Let's say first hello world program, and the extension is .cpp. Save it. Now to run this program, press execute and compile and run. Here you can see I am writing this program for hello world. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please remember to subscribe.